Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. NIO, ticker symbol NIO, NIO. Well, you folks, you guys see, kind of broke out on the descending pattern triangle. But before I talk on the pattern and the technical analysis, let's check out how we did today. Well, folks, today we opened up at $44.59, quick small pullback, and went high of 46.78. Time and time we talked about this very important right here, 45.79, acting as a massive support level, which we broke out, and we went all the way high back again at 46.55, and throughout the day through the closing, and you see that we've been testing and acting as a support at 45.79, which we closed today at 45.85. Well, folks, overall a good day, up by 2.62%. That's the $1.17 and up for the day, which I'm excited about. But before I talk more on that, let's talk about the delivery numbers, which is, in my book, it is okay, not the greatest. I'm going to be frank with you guys to see that, but in time we have seen that NIO struggles in July when it comes to the production on that, when they have always on that. But folks, there's something is always an ups and down with the company in the delivery numbers, which is not, we're not down like massively like 1,000. It's just a couple of hundreds we are down from the previous on that. So let's talk about it in 2020. Right here in July, NIO did during the pandemic of 3,533 vehicles. 2021 we did 7,931 vehicles, which is outstanding, which is 124% up in year over year, which is down 2% when you compare to the month of June, right? I know there's some sort of people are panicking. They're gonna say like, oh, NIO is not performing at the highest level. Folks, look at our each month of this year. We were on 7,000 only in the February when we have the chip shortage issue going on. Even we did 5,778, like we're roughly sitting over 7,000 majority of the time of this year, which is outstanding, right? From 3,000 going up to 7,000 means over 4,000 vehicle per month, in 2021 of each month we are delivering, which is outstanding, right? Also, the news that came out that this month was not a great month for NIO, right? Folks, I'm not here to share like, oh, NIO is not doing at the highest level. I just wanted to share what other companies is doing and why we're seeing a kind of small pullback, and which I'm going to discuss on my next article and what's I'm mentioning about. So you'll see the gray one is NIO, which is I'm going to highlight is right here, right? Always outproduce Li Auto and XPeng, right? Always did. But the month of July, Li Auto Li Auto produced more vehicles, over 8,000 in the month of July, and even XPeng was a little bit higher than NIO right here. NIO is sitting right up here, right? So NIO's became the third highest producer on the Chinese EV market, right? Which kind of okay, because sometimes in order to maintain a certain amount, which they did, over 7,500 each month, which is great, right? These companies like Li Auto and XPeng, which I also cover, and I'm an investor on the XPeng also, right? They are performing at the highest level. And why is that? Why their delivery numbers went high? Folks, the reason has been simple, right? Because of sedan. They have sedan vehicles in order to have different type of options to do that. NIO just started, E5, and then ES7 model is coming up, right? And also the rumor, right? The news came out today, August 2nd. NIO has rumored to start mass production of new model called ES7 in June next year, right? This is going to be huge, right? We'll see definitely the production level go up to 10 to 11,000 each month in 2021, right? In 2022, we'll see the mass production over 10 to 11K a month, which is outstanding, which I don't see XPeng and Li Auto coming close to that, because they already have it and they're producing the same amount of vehicle pretty much as NIO is doing right now without the majority of sedan vehicle, because sedan gives them a lot of variety option rather than SUVs. So that's something, you know, that company is doing it. So nothing negative about the delivery sales on that. I love it. What I see, you know, it's constant growth. That's what we want to hear, right? Constant growth. Keep growing it, right? If the production level went from 7,000 up to 5,000 without the chip shortage, I'll be concerned. But they're staying between the 7,000 mark, and I'm 7,500 mark, which is phenomenal to me, right? All right, folks, let's talk about some technical analysis. And I'm excited what I see today because we broke out the pattern that we talked about, the continuous descending, which now I am gonna delete it, which is I am excited about it. I have deleted the wrong resistance level, which okay, I'm gonna come and reset it again. So we talked about this channel, right? $42.49 and 47. Time and time we are getting rejected. So it's simple, folks. We're gonna break out 47.59. As we seen that today, 42 was 45.79 was our massive support level, which we break out on that. I'm just gonna have it right up here, which we broke out on that. So now it's going to be our support level moving forward, which I'm excited about it. So let's see how we do it, right? Let's see how we break out at 47.59. And the very important next will be none other than 49.39, our next resistance level, right? Which I can see it breaking out. Definitely I can see it breaking out anytime. So the couple good things I want to share and kind of zoom in my chart so you guys can see it. The pink line sitting at $39.41. The yellow line sitting at $43.06 and $43.94 is our 20-day. We have a crossover, folks. We have a crossover, which means a uptrend confirmation, right? Not a solid confirmation yet, but an uptrend confirmation yet, because we are trading below our moving average. When you have the blue line, which is the 20-day, then the 60-day, then the 200-day, it is an indication of a crossover. MACD selling pressure is dying down, and we're about to have this crossover. RSI is neutral. We have a lot of room from 53.79 to run all the way to 70, which could lead up to $49 to $50 level anytime soon. So stay tuned on that. So buckle up, yo. Buckle up, right? Because we are about to fly. We're about to rip off a very important level right now, because we got expected to see that time and time pull back and run this. Because the last time we had this, like for example, going all the way back in November 2024, we had the pullback, right? Kind of similar chart right up here, right? We had the pullback, kind of created up and down W right here. You'll see up and down and tested it and then pull back again. So, which we did it right here, up and down, testing the $245 level time and time. We're testing again. I won't be surprised to see another pullback before we rip all the way up high to $50 level, even the highs of 62. So that's what I see, and I love it, because our year to date, right? I'm gonna go back. We're on the year to date. I'm gonna go back to our 6-month chart and show something very interesting, because our MACD is all the way up. RSI is coming to the overbought territory, not yet, but our crossing over it's right here. We are about to cross over our 60-day on the 200-day. Once we do that and hold, phenomenal run is about to happen, right? Phenomenal run is about to happen, which I'm excited about it, because that's what I was looking for, and I was looking for, and was about to give us the confirmation on that. So I'm excited. What do we have in play for this week? Stay tuned for more updates coming on this week on NIO and more news. Don't pay too much attention on the delivery numbers. If Li Auto and Xpeng took over, I'm not concerned about it. They didn't take over. They barely take over after the same production. We've been doing the same production over and over. We're increasing it at a constant pace, which I'm okay with that, right? They are catching it up, but we don't have a sedan vehicle, a variety of sedan vehicles for the delivery. Once we have more sedan vehicles delivery, game is over. But I still hold Xpeng shares too, because that's also a strong company as NIO, but not close as NIO, but an upcoming close company. Well, folks, that's all I have. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you guys want to be constantly updated on EV EV markets such as NIO and XPeng, and for other stock, even the penny stock, which I do trade for the long-term investment also. That's all I have, folks. I hope you guys had a good day today, and good luck on the whole week of trading. Thank you for watching it, and have a good day.